Hello, today we're going to learn some more functions from pandas library. So today I have this CSV file which contains like this not available NaN, which are not like properly named actually. When you read this, this is uh, you cannot read this properly. It will be difficult. So we're going to change this value into similar values. We're going to convert all these things into similar values using the pandas. So what we're going to do is we're going to use API from read CSV file. The API name is NA underscore VALUES values. So what it does is it converts all the non-available values such as this, like a value cell which do not contains any integer values or string converts into NA. So we'll assign which are the uh, variables, which are the things we have to convert into NA values. So first I want to convert this into non-available value. So I'll copy that and I'll paste inside this list. Make sure it is a make sure it you are placed between parentheses so that it is considered it has a string, and I don't want this, so I'll copy and I'll paste this inside the list also, so it becomes like this. And I don't want this. Control C, and I'm going to place this and this one finally. Control C. So I have placed all the elements which I don't want to be named like this, some random non-available, sometimes NaN. So it converts into a uniform value, uniform key. So we'll see that. So I'll run this program. As you can see that before it was not available or non-available element. Now it has become NaN. All the terms which I have mentioned in the list have been converted into NaN. That means these are non-available values. So we can do this. We can perform this function using no NaN underscore values in pandas, and we also uh, use. We're going to learn some more functions, uh, and that we're going to export one more file, that is stock data is over. Once again, so it contains see this is the original file. We're going to write the original file. How do we do that? So df dot to underscore csv, as this is csv file, we're going to write this csv file. We're going to copy this file, the same file. We're going to write the data set into the same file. So this is the same file, and control enter. So we're gonna check. Okay, there is some error also too. Permission denied. The error is like a permission error. That means the CSV file is open. That's why it's throwing that error. Make sure when you run the program, the CSV file must be closed. Okay, I'm gonna close the CSV file, and I'm gonna run that program again. Let's see what has happened in the file. See, we cannot able to see the values here, but actually it has changed. It has changed all the not available values into this value. So we cannot able to see that in the Excel. That's fine. Okay, we will move on to another function. First, we're gonna fetch some files. Okay, not this. Mm, This. Okay. This file contains multiple sheets. That means the first sheet is movies, second sheet is financial, actors, movie actors, language. So our task is to merge these two sheets, that is movies as well as financials. Okay, you have to merge these two sheets and create a new Excel which contains both these data sheet. Okay. So first what we do is same we'll copy the path, we'll copy the path and we'll open it in pandas. Okay. We already copied the path here. I will just copy this, Control C. So I'll do same thing for opening the file, cd dot read underscore csv, Control V. Okay. So I'm going to assign this to a variable dir and reprint the dir. Okay. Control. And here's some problem. Hmm. I have no idea why this happening, keeps on happening. In a second, let me fix this. I'll copy the original file path itself and I'll change it to I replace its backslashes with front slash. I'll replace all these backslashes with front slash, otherwise it throws a unique code error in pandas. It cannot read when the file path has a backslash. So let me try this again. Okay, we have a problem here. Yeah, the problem is, say, this is Excel file. I'm trying to read Excel file, but my what is the my state function I've used is pd.read csv. This is the problem. I'm not reading a CSV file. I'm reading Excel file in here. So I have to convert this into Excel, Excel file. Okay. Now I'll get the Excel file. So it contains all the movies released here. That means it contains the first file. So it contains movies released here. So you can see movies release here, studios, language ID, all this thing. So I have to merge this sheet with this sheet. First, we'll export both the sheets. I will name this as a df underscore movies. So you can, there is another method, you can access different sheets from same file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mention the name of the sheet. So the name of the sheet is movies, right? So it will print the movies. Now uh, I want to extract financial files, right? I want to extract this sheet. So what I do is I'll copy the same code and I'm going to paste that code here. Instead of movie, I'm going to write financials. Okay, I'm going to print financials. I'm going to change this variable as financials, and I'm going to print this variable here, file. So see, we will get the financial details from this file. See, the financial details, movie budget, revenue unit, currency, all these headers you can see here. So we have since we have extracted all the sorry, extracted these two sheets from the file. So we are going to merge these two sheets. So we have a function called df. There's a function called merge in pandas. Merge. The function is like merge. Merge. What we're going to merge? We are going to merge these two. What is that? The financial as well as movie. Going to merge these two files. So there is a problem. Yeah, I have to remove the. There shouldn't be any comma in front of that. So see, we have merged. See, the syntax was pd dot merge, not df underscore merge, as I uh, said before. It is pd dot merge, the name of the variables which contains those sheets, like financial. Df underscore financial contains the financial details, and df underscore movie contains the movie details. So we're going to merge those two files. See, it contains movie id, title, industry, release, imd rating, and also budget, revenue, unit, currency. Both these files are merged, and we are going to write this file into a new Excel sheet. How do we do that? So df underscore merge dot to Excel, we are going to print this directory. Okay, print the same directory. Control V. We are going to change this file names. We are going to create a new file. You can able to create the new file in pandas itself. So I'm going to call this movies underscore merge. I'm going to call this movies underscore merge, where, and I'm going to run this, and we'll have a file called movies merge. Before, this file was not here. So see, this file was not here. So I'm going to open this file. Let's see what it contains. So it contains all the details, right? Movies, in the titles, industries, release year, and budget, revenue, unit, currency, all the things. It contains all the names, and if you can also change name of the sheet, like you can also say, like, you can convert that in pandas. I think the API used is name is equal to merged, I think. Okay, there is a problem actually. There is no API called names. In case if you don't know the API, you can search that. Uh, just press Shift Tab. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it won't come. Let me check. Yeah, see, you can see a sheet name. Yeah, the name of the API is sheet name. Sorry, I forgot the API. The point is, you don't need to remember all the API names actually. You have to know which API should be used. You should be aware of all kind of APIs. You don't need to remember. Okay. Uh, yeah, again there is a problem here. Yeah, because the file is open, that's why we cannot write anything to the file. As I said before, you cannot write anything once the file is open. You have to close it and you have to write. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Let's check what is the name of the sheet right now. Yeah, as you can see, before it was only it was named as sheet one. Now it is the name we have changed the name and it says merged. Okay, so that's it. We can merge, we can convert that into Excel. Okay, so it is easy, simple. And as a data analyst, you will be working with Excels and CSV files most of the time. So you should be familiar with all kinds of functions that we can use uh, in pandas. Pandas is very useful while handling these kinds of files. So that's it for today. We have learned how to convert, how to replace the name, replace the non-available values and convert non-available values and merge two files and again create a merge two files and assign that file to new Excel file. Yeah, we have learned all these things. These are very important in actual industry if you want to work as a data analyst. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.